Helping your baby overcome a fear of the dark can be a gentle and rewarding journey. As a parent, you might be seeking ways to ease your little one's nighttime worries. Here are some helpful tips to guide you through this process. First, create a comforting bedtime routine. Consistency is key, so try to follow the same steps every night. A warm bath, a soothing story, and a gentle lullaby can help your baby associate bedtime with safety and relaxation. Introduce a nightlight to provide a soft, reassuring glow in the room. Choose one with adjustable brightness to find the perfect level of comfort for your baby. A familiar, comforting object like a favorite stuffed animal can also offer a sense of security. Talk to your baby about their fears. Even if they can't fully express themselves yet, acknowledging their feelings can help them feel understood. Use simple, calming words to reassure them that they are safe. Consider using a white noise machine or soft music to create a peaceful environment. The gentle sounds can mask any unfamiliar noises that might be unsettling in the dark. If your baby wakes up during the night, respond with calm and patience. Offer gentle reassurance and avoid turning on bright lights, which can disrupt their sleep cycle. Gradually encourage your baby to spend short periods in a dimly lit room during the day. This can help them become more comfortable with lower light levels over time. Remember, every baby is unique, and what works for one might not work for another. Patience and understanding are your best tools. With time and support, your baby can learn to feel safe and secure, even in the dark.